If you're seeing a fatal error in the itch.io app, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple step-by-step way to fix it. We'll clear the app data, reinstall the official client the right way, and then check the logs so you can find out what's actually causing the crash. This is one of the fastest ways to get itch.io working again, especially if the app is failing to launch, freezing on startup, or showing a fatal error message over and over. Before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. It really helps the channel and it lets you know when new tutorials go live. Alright, let's get into the fix. The first thing you want to do is clear the itch.io app data. A lot of fatal errors happen because the app has corrupted configuration files or a damaged cache, and clearing that data gives the client a fresh start. To do this on Windows, open File Explorer and go to your user profile folders. In the address bar, type %appdata%\itch and press enter. This should take you directly to the itch folder. Inside here, you'll usually see folders for configuration and cache. Delete those folders carefully. If you're not sure which folders are which, look for anything related to config, cache, or temporary app data inside the itch directory. Removing these files does not uninstall the app itself, but it does reset the local settings that may be causing the fatal error. Once that's done, close File Explorer and restart your computer if needed. Next, you'll want to reinstall the official itch.io client. Even if the app is already installed, reinstalling from a clean download can fix broken program files or missing components. Open your browser and go to the official itch.io download page. Make sure you only download the client from the official source so you know you're getting the correct and safe installer. After the file finishes downloading, find the installer in your downloads folder. Now right-click the installer and choose Run as administrator. This is an important step because the app may need elevated permissions to install properly or to write files where it needs to. Follow the installation prompts and let the setup complete fully. Once it's installed, launch the itch.io app again and see if the fatal error is gone. If the app still crashes, the next step is to check the logs. Logs are extremely useful because they can tell you exactly what failed behind the scenes. To access them, go back to the app data folder and open %appdata%\itch/logs. Inside that folder, look for a file named itch.txt. Open it with Notepad or another text editor. When you read the log, look for anything that mentions a missing manifest, a plugin error, a loading failure, or anything that appears right before the crash. These details can help you identify whether the issue is coming from a broken file, a bad plugin, or a missing dependency. If you notice the same error repeated multiple times, that's usually a strong clue about what needs to be fixed or reinstalled. If you want to go one step further, you can also compare the log after a fresh reinstall to see whether the same error still appears. If it does, then the issue may be related to a specific add-on, system setting, or damaged local file that didn't get removed during the reinstall. So to recap, the basic fix is to clear the itch app data, reinstall the official client as administrator, and then check the logs if the problem continues. In most cases, one of those steps will stop the fatal error and get the app working normally again. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you're still stuck. I'll do my best to help you troubleshoot it further. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.